I never got a roll from me. Ganito yun kung paano laruin.
Okay, Mommy.
Alam niyo paano laruin? Alam niyo kung anong tawag dito? Plastic bubbles.
Okay.
Okay.
Mas malaki sa akin.
Your ladies are so beautiful. Wow. That was amazing.
Okay, let's try for battle. Or just close your eyes. Magic!
Nasa trip mo sa... Tapos pag kami natirang dati, ganito, ginagawa namin. Nung bata pa kami. Pag may natirang bubbles dito, igaganon mo.